we're installing Raceland Coilovers on my 350Z Primos, brand new, out of the box. So let's see how it goes. Salve, Xande. See what's up here. Eehee, boy! Stickers! What is this? This is very nice. Check this out. So just a heads up, you will be installing coilovers and they replace this one right here. That will be replacing this one and then these, because you don't need this anymore. But installing coilovers, tow arms, camber arms, and traction arm. Let's go!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate.
So you're moving this, which has bolts right here and in the top. For this one, you remove here and here. For the camber arms, you remove here and here. And for the traction arms, you remove here and all the way there. So here's what we're gonna need. Everything is in here. Raceland has 3 types of coilovers. This is Raceland Primo. This is their 3rd tier of coilovers, which has adjustments. This is what the kit comes with. This is awesome. So the keys to adjust, these ones to go on the... These guys here, do not lose these. These are the ones that come here after you remove the bolt from the car. Because the original ones from the 350Z, they have one that is welded here. So you cannot use that, you need to use this one. Otherwise you won't be able to finish the installation and your car will be on jacks and you will not be able to go to a run for hardware. This is what I'm talking about. Right here, this is attached to this. So this right here is part of this. Alright, so after remove that, you can use the same bolt, but you gotta use this one right here. Alright, so don't lose it. This is important. Here are the arms to replace the bucket, because you have removed the spring anyway, so this comes here. So the arm will go right here, and then you can delete this. It's attached here, there, another one here, and here, the last one, and the other one right there, which comes right here. So traction arm, camber arm and tow arm. So that's why they are for. And then spacers for the wheels and new lug nuts with secret for the new wheels. So that's all you're gonna need. Final result. I had to cut the last video because I ran out of battery, and also it was late night already. Look at the boxes still inside. Alright. So, I decided to take the final shot on daylight with the coilovers installed, so you could see everything. The fitment seat's kinda nice too. Look at that. One is that you have good height adjustment. It's not as low as it can get because I still have to go through the bumps on the unit, but the coilovers do get lower than this. A good point is that on these you can adjust the softness too. Let me show you. So here's a dampening adjustment. Clockwise is hard and counterclockwise is soft. You can see very accessible. This is the result. there it is. Hope you like it. Enjoy.